Dow Jones Industrial Average. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJIA, commonly known as the Dow, is one of the most well-known and widely followed stock market indices in the world. Here's a detailed explanation. Aspects. 1. History and background. Established, the Dow was created by Charles Dow, co-founder of Dow Jones & Company, in 1896. It was originally composed of 12 industrial companies. Purpose. The index was designed to provide a simple way to track the performance of the industrial sector of the U.S. economy. Over time, it has evolved to include major corporations from various sectors. 2. Composition number of companies. The DJIA consists of 30 large publicly traded companies. These companies are leaders in their respective industries and are often referred to as blue-chip stocks. Selection criteria. Companies are chosen based on factors such as reputation, financial stability, and sector representation. The index is maintained by the editors of the Wall Street Journal. 3. Price-weighted index calculation method. The Dow is a price-weighted index, which means that companies with higher stock prices have a greater impact on the index's value. This is different from market capitalization-weighted indices, where larger companies have more influence based on their overall market value. Impact of stock prices. Because it's price-weighted, a large increase or decrease in the stock price of one of the higher-priced stocks can significantly affect the overall index, even if that company has a smaller market capitalization compared to others. 4. Components of the Dow diversity. The DJIA includes companies from various sectors including technology, finance, healthcare, consumer goods, and energy. This diversity helps provide a broad perspective on the U.S. economy. Current components. Some well-known companies currently included in the Dow are Apple, Boeing, Coca-Cola, Goldman Sachs, and Johnson & Johnson. 5. Calculation of the index value. Divisor. The Dow's value is calculated by adding the prices of all 30 stocks and then dividing by a divisor, which is adjusted for stock splits, dividends, and other corporate actions to maintain consistency over time. This divisor is not a fixed number and changes as needed. 6. Significance and uses. Market indicator. The DJIA is often used as a barometer of the overall health of the U.S. economy and stock market. Movements in the Dow are closely watched by investors, analysts, and the media. Investment benchmark. Many funds and investment portfolios use the DJIA as a benchmark to gauge performance against the broader market. 7. Criticism and limitations. Price weighting. Critics argue that the price-weighted nature of the Dow can distort its representation of the market, as high-priced stocks can skew the index. Limited scope. With only 30 companies, some believe it doesn't provide a comprehensive view of the entire stock market or economy. Other indices, like the S&P 500, are considered more representative of the market as a whole. 8. Historical milestones. First index value. The original DJIA was calculated to be 40.94 on May 26, 1896. Milestone levels. The Dow has reached several significant milestone levels over the years, including crossing the 1,000 mark in 1972, 10,000 in 1999, and 30,000 in 2020. The Dow Jones Industrial Average remains a key indicator of U.S. market performance, reflecting the economic conditions and investor sentiment. Despite its limitations, it continues to hold historical significance and is a staple in financial news and analysis.